Hi, I'm Megan Van Duren.
I'm Sahara Katz.
I'm Kenny Wright.
And I'm Justin Gigas.
And today we'll be teaching you Newton's 3 laws of motion.
Newton's first law is an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. I'm going to show you how Newton's law is seen in real life. I'm going to throw this ball against the mailbox. If the mailbox wasn't there and we didn't have gravity, this ball would not stop moving.
Another example of Newton's first law is pushing a skateboard down a hill. If there was no gravity with the skateboard, the only way you would stop is with your feet.
An example of this law is as simple as kicking a ball.
Good.
The ball would not stop moving if there was no gravity.
Another example of Newton's first law is riding a bike downhill. If there was no brakes and there was no gravity, this bike would not stop moving.
Newton's second law is the formula Fg equals ma. Fg stands for gravitational force and is like the weight of an object. M stands for mass and is measured in kilograms. And A stands for acceleration.
An example of Newton's second law is the more force you exert on an object, the faster it will go.
Now I will demonstrate by pushing Megan in this handy-dandy cart. The less force I put on the object, the less acceleration the object will have, as seen here.
I don't go as far.
We're going to show you some examples of Newton's third law now. Newton's third law states that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. This is an example of Newton's third law. It's me sitting on a rock. The action is me sitting down, but the reaction is the rock pushing up on me.
Another way Newton's law is in everyday life is pushing or leaning on a wall. The action is pushing on the wall and the reaction is the wall holding me up.
Another example of Newton's third law is stepping off a raft in a pool. The action is me stepping onto the raft and the reaction is the raft moving away. Thanks for learning about Newton's 3 laws with us. Da, da, da. Hi, I'm Megan Van Duren.
Okay.
Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Put your feet down!
An example of this law is as simple as kicking a ball.
Oh my god. I'm jumping. Move!
Don't kill me.
Oh my god, leak! Getting nowhere!
And A stands for acceleration.